Tangem Wallet, the most affordable and easiest crypto wallet to use on the market, just got a massive upgrade. One that will fundamentally revolutionize how we organize, protect, and think about our Bitcoin, crypto, and digital asset holdings at large. Not too long ago, one Tangem wallet meant one set of addresses. One for Bitcoin, one for Ethereum, one for Solana. Sending funds to that Bitcoin address all went into one big bucket. Now, that has all changed. In the Tangem app, we can now create multiple accounts for any cryptocurrencies, all within the same wallet. We can name them, color code them, and even pick fun, custom icons to represent them. It is a game changer for sure. And there's an important privacy angle here most of us aren't thinking about. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and if we have a Tangem wallet, we're in for a treat. If we don't have a Tangem wallet yet, we can join the Tangem fam using the link below and get a nice 30% discount plus free Bitcoin for a limited time. All right, let's hit it. To take advantage of this feature, we need to make sure we've got the most recent version of the Tangem Wallet app installed on our phones. Once it's up to date, open the Tangem app, and in the top right-hand corner of the main dashboard, tap on the three dots icon here to access settings. Under the wallet section, choose the wallet you'd like to create multiple accounts for, and under the account section, simply tap Add Account. And voila! Here we can name the account, choose a color that represents it, as well as a fun icon. Super easy and straightforward. So let's go over some creative ways we can organize our digital assets, real practical benefits we can get for taxes, security, and peace of mind, and how this amazing feature works under the hood. By setting up multiple accounts, we can essentially turn our Tangem wallet into a real powerful financial dashboard and ultra customized wealth management tool. We can have business versus personal accounts to keep our business capital separated from our personal stash for simplified bookkeeping. Or if we remember the old school budgeting method of putting cash into labeled envelopes, we can create crypto accounts organized by their purpose. Like daily spending in green for our daily Tangem Pay transactions, long-term holds in blue, vacation savings in purple, emergency funds in red, where at a glance we can have a great overview of our digital financial situation. Or if we are a more speculative, high-risk crypto player, we can organize our accounts between blue chips like Bitcoin and Ethereum, mid-cap alts like XRP, BNB, and Solana, and of course, DGen moonshot plays. That way, when we open our wallets, we can see instantly how our conservative versus aggressive accounts are performing. We can create accounts based on where our crypto comes from, like salary income versus staking rewards versus DCAing or dollar cost averaging, or uphold crypto rewards, where as we discuss in this video using the link above, we can automatically accumulate Bitcoin for free by earning crypto rewards for simply having our paychecks direct deposited into our Uphold accounts and using our Uphold debit cards for daily spending. Uphold is 1,000 times better than traditional banks and exchanges. It's completely free to sign up, so scroll down and use the link below to redeem any special offers they have for us. If we are managing crypto for our household, we can set up accounts per family member like Alex's crypto, Jordan's college fund, or per purpose like shared savings, holiday gift fund. That way everyone's digital assets stay organized under one secure wallet without any confusion about whose crypto is whose. And this is a must if we use DeFi or decentralized financial apps. We create separate independent accounts to isolate our risks. For example, we can have one specific account for connecting to Wallet Connect or DeFi protocols. That way, if we accidentally sign a malicious contract, only the assets in this particular account are at risk, not the others. We can have a burner account for minting NFTs or interacting with unverified new chains. Or we can have a staking hub where we keep all of our yield-bearing assets in one place to easily track our daily or weekly rewards. Using separate accounts for interacting with DeFi protocols and smart contracts versus completely cold storage greatly limits our exposure. And this benefit alone is an extremely important one. Amazing. Another great aspect of this update is the archive feature, which allows us to create seasonal accounts like bull market plays that we can archive once the cycle ends. Or if we want to stack sats to hold for the long term and don't want to see the account frequently, we can also archive it, which just hides the balance and the account from the main screen to declutter our view. The funds stay 100% secure, and at any time we can simply unarchive them by going into settings, selecting the wallet, and under accounts, tap archived accounts, and tap recover. Sweet. Some advantages that make this feature extremely useful for us all include cleaner transaction history. When everything runs through one account, things can get really messy. Splitting into multiple accounts means each one has a clean, focused record, where we can actually read relevant transaction history without scrolling through hundreds of unrelated transactions. And this makes for much simpler tax reporting, which is huge. If our trading account is separate from our long-term hold account, Our accountants and tax software will have a much easier time. Which tax season is here, and it's more important than ever to accurately file our taxes because all US crypto exchanges sent out a new Form 1099-DA, which reported all of our 2025 crypto gains to the IRS. CoinLedger is the #1 free crypto tax software that can help us get our crypto taxes done in a snap, maximizes our refund, partners with TurboTax, and it's free to use using the link below, plus a 15% discount for paid plans. At the end of the day, when our finances are organized, we make better decisions. We aren't just staring at one or a few giant numbers trying to remember what's allocated where. Everything has a label, a color, a purpose, and a fun icon. And this clarity reduces impulsive decisions and gives us peace of mind as truly financially sovereign individuals. Brilliant. Now let's learn more about how the multi-account support feature works under the hood. Each account we create has its own unique blockchain address. So even though all of these accounts are secured by the same physical card and the same private key, they are cryptographically isolated on the blockchain. And basically, on every blockchain's transparent public ledger available for anyone to see, no one can see that these addresses belong to the same person, which is important for building a wall between our public lives and private wealth. Because if someone knows our wallet address, they can trace our transaction history, see our balances, and start connecting dots about who we are and what we hold. Check it out. When we have a dedicated account for daily spending using Tangem Pay to buy a coffee, the coffee shop can only see that address. They would have no idea that your cold storage or your long-term Bitcoin HODL accounts exist, even though they are on the same Tangem wallet. This is peak financial isolation that stops a domino effect. In the event that one account is compromised or tracked, other accounts remain invisible and untouched. So it's not just a cosmetic update with organizational benefits, it's a genuine shift in how we manage our digital assets at large. If we already have a Tangem wallet, take some time to think about goals, income streams, and how to organize and compartmentalize our crypto life. If we want to learn more about Tangem Wallet and why it's the best, most affordable, easiest crypto wallet to use on the market, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about Uphold and how we can start auto-stacking Bitcoin for free with crypto rewards, check out this video. And to get your very own Tangem Wallet for a nice discount, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.